Hello everyone, I am Priyanka and I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. As a part of my summer internship program, my teammate Tanya and I developed a project called Smart Duplicate Finder under the valuable guidance of our mentor, Mr. Ravikant Sahu. So, the main objective of this project is to help user identify duplicate files on their computer efficiently. So, this is the home page of our Smart Duplicate Finder. The interface is designed to be simple and user friendly. The first step is to select the folder that we want to scan. I will click on browse and I will choose the folder from my system as I already copied the address of my folder. So I will just paste it down. So here we go. After the selection of folder, I can simply click on the scan button that is that is appearing over here. So now it will take a minute to process and gather all the duplicate files that has been hindered in my folder. Now the application has already started analyzing every file inside the selected folder, and as you can see, instead of comparing only file name, it also generates a unique hash value for each file. If two files have the same hash value, the application identifies them as duplicates. This method is both accurate and reliable. Here we can see all the scan results. The application displays duplicate file along with useful information such as their name, file paths, and sizes. This makes it easy for user to identify which file are consuming unnecessary storage. User can also review the detected duplicates and decide which file they want to keep or want to remove. Let's talk about the move to selected review button. What does it exactly does? If I click onto the move to review button, the selected duplicate files are automatically moved from their original location to a separate review folder. Now, after clicking onto all of this, and clicking on to move selected to review. This means the duplicate files are removed from the original location, but they are not permanently deleted. This ensures that the user can safely review the files before making a final decision, preventing accidental data losses. For that, we have to go to our file and then we have to select it. The review, duplicate review is automatically been generated, and within that we can find all the files that we have moved. There is a total of 102 items that has been moved throughout this process. And if the user realizes that the file was moved by mistake, they can simply click onto the undo last move. The undo features restores the moved file back to their original location, making the application safer and more user friendly by providing an easy recovery option. After clicking onto undo last move, we can see it already written restored int 428 unit 6 to its original location. Now I will keep on clicking onto that. I need four of my files back. Now you can see it has already been removed. The items were 108 before, now it's 98. So it has been removed to its original place. And then here we have another feature that I want to explain, that is search. After moving to search, here it asks for the prefix. Along with duplicate file detection, Smart Duplicate Finder also provides a file search feature. Here, user can search for file using a file name prefix. For example, I will put I int428 as the file prefix. And after clicking onto that, here the application scans the selected file and displays all the matching files. This feature is useful when the user want to quickly locate files without manually browsing through folders, making file management faster and more convenient. Here all the file that has the prefix int428 and it located in one single column. So after that, there's also another feature that I want to show, that is data filter. So here, the third feature is the data filter, and after scanning a folder, user can specify a form, data, and to a date. That means if, for an instance, I want the file from for 9th of April to 7th till this day, I can click on search. When I click on search, it displays all only the files that are modified within that selected data range. That means these are all the files that I've gathered from April, 9th of April to this day, to this day. This feature is especially useful for finding recently edited documents or filtering files created during a specific period of time. As you can see, all are gathered here. So yeah, this is all about. This concludes the demonstration of my project Smart Duplicate Finder. Through this application, I have shown how user can efficiently detect duplicate files, search file using file name prefixes, and filter files based on their modification data. Thank you once again for watching. I look forward for your valuable feedback. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.